Leave a like to this video, this will help me a lot and thank you so much for this. Hello, my name is Daniel and welcome to another car project on this channel. Before we start, subscribe and like this video, in this way I will know you want to see more videos like this. First, I need to say thank you to the owner of the car because accept to make this video. In this video you will see a BMW E30 316i static on BBS airbase rims modified. Before was in a poor condition, then owner decided to invest and transform this BMW. Changed almost everything on this car and now looks so far from beginning. New color, new rims, new coilovers, new body kit, headlights, taillights, is like another car.
Doubted all that I could do, knowing what I need to do. All I can say, the word is thank you. I think it's what you need to push away from the shore, amongst the waves. Exactly where I wanna be. I am where I wanna be. Remember the start, when my future needed clarity. Yes, I needed clarity, so I could see how you'd react, how you'd react to me. So much differently, 'cause I am different to you. Every time that I look back, I see my fortune. Would you react to me? We are reacting.
I've been dreaming, 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 I've been dreaming.
Owner of the car want to show this project to inspire you and for new ideas in your project. If you have any question about this car, you will find in the description a link to the owner of the car. In this way you will make new friends and you can change opinion and ideas. Next I will let you to see the video and I hope you will enjoy.
I've been dreaming, I've been dreaming, I've been dreaming, I've been dreaming, we're dreaming, we're dreaming, we're dreaming. I've been dreaming, I've been dreaming, I've been dreaming, I've been dreaming. I've been dreaming.
If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn notification on to see more videos like this. I'll be happy to know if these videos inspire you for your car project. Bye bye and see you next time.